The 48-inch and 56-inch Roanokes are flush mount ceiling fans with weather-resistant blades that are perfectly suited for rooms with low ceilings. We'll show you how to install the fan with step-by-step instructions. If you would like to skip ahead to a specific part of the installation, pause the video and use this menu for reference. Otherwise, continue watching for the complete installation guide. If you feel that you do not have enough electrical wiring knowledge or experience, have your fan installed by a licensed electrician. Installation requires an installed ceiling outlet box that is UL listed and acceptable for fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a stepladder, Phillips screwdriver, wire stripper, electrical tape, and about 1 hour to install the fan. With your equipment ready and your new ceiling fan unpacked, you can now begin the installation. Before getting started, turn off power at the breaker. First, remove one of the screws from the top of the motor and loosen the remaining screws. To attach the mounting bracket, remove the 2 screws from the ceiling box and pass the supply wires through the center hole. Align the mounting bracket over the screw holes and insert the removed screws. Tighten both screws securely. Bring the motor up to the ceiling and use one of the holes on top of the motor to hang the fan. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box and hanger bracket together. Then connect the white wire from the motor to the neutral wire in the box. Finally, connect the black fan wire and the blue light wire from the motor together with the hot wire from the box. If your box has 2 hot wires to control the fan and light separately, connect the black wire that controls the fan to one hot wire and the blue wire that controls the light to the other hot wire. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Unhook the motor and push it up to the ceiling. Align and twist over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. The fan is now properly mounted and the rest of the fan body is ready to be installed. Attach the blade to the blade arm by aligning the holes and inserting the blade screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Install the fan blade assembly to the motor by aligning and tightening the pre-assembled blade arm screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. Remove one of the screws from the mounting ring and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the switch housing up to the fan. Align and twist the plate over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. Connect the 9-pin connectors. Remove one of the screws from the switch housing and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the light kit up to the fan and connect both plugs. Align and twist the light kit over the loose screws, Then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. Install the 2 included LED bulbs. Bring the shade up to the fan and align it inside the light kit. Press and turn until snug. Finally, clip on the pull chains and fobs. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The pull chains provide an easy way to control your fan speeds and light. Use the shorter chain to change the fan speed. Each pull of the chain cycles through the fan's 4 different speed settings: high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. Use the longer chain to toggle the light on or off. Use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise and push air downward to create a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Note that the fan should be stopped before changing the direction of the blade rotation. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. Want more details or have any questions? Just call the customer service number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.